My name's George Bailey. I do the Extended Diploma in Art and Design at East Sussex College, and my favourite thing about the course is you can pretty much do whatever you want. So you do a wide range of units, including like 3D, printmaking, drawing, painting, everything, and you get to sort of discover what you want to do. So there are 4 different avenues in the Royal Opera House Design Challenge, which really allows you to be creative in whichever way you want. So there's the marketing strategy, making a poster, set and prop, there's hair, wigs and makeup, and costume design. I chose the set and prop avenue because I'm quite capable with 3D and I like the challenge. So my set is inspired by the book 1984 by George Orwell. It's all about how the borough is constantly surveying Peter Grimes, and that's why I've made it out of clear perspex so that you can be seen from wherever you are on the set. Oh, my tutors are amazing. James, he's just always scurrying about somewhere. He's always happy to help. And the technicians are amazing, Joel and Julie, they're both really helpful. And Susie, she's really good with 3D. You know, they're all just really nice people. I think you should choose this course because it's completely unique and allows you to develop your skills in a way that no other course would.